The members of parliament who were among the first set of Jamaicans to be vaccinated, right, should have been out front giving leadership to the whole vaccination process long ago. The members of parliament, both Labour Right and PNP, they are the main contributing factor to the vaccine hesitancy in the country. Don't blame nobody else except them. Every one of them, 99% of them got vaccinated before anybody else in Jamaica. How many of them come out and even put them phone to them face and say, I have been vaccinated, how about you? They have not contributed to easing the anti-vaxxers campaign. And we've been saying it for months now, that anti-vaxxers, the voice of anti-vaccine persons, are louder than the pro-vaccine campaigners. And that is part of the problem. You see this blitz going around and all you see is a few MPs using it as photo op, piggybacking on the Ministry of Health campaign, when they could have gone out there and mobilized and get their own party workers. How many members of parliament today take up them workers list and call to make sure that their own workers have been vaccinated? How many of them have done it? How many of them call a meeting, whether virtual or in person, with their party workers to make sure that the message of getting vaccinated reach to their own cohort? It has not been done. And then we talk about vaccine hesitancy and whose voice is louder. And then you have another group who is saying don't politicize it. What do you mean don't politicize it? It is pure raw politics. If the member of parliament, if the prime minister comes out and encourage persons to be vaccinated, who you think he's going to appeal to the most? The Labour Party supporters. If Mark Golden come out and ask persons to get vaccinated, who you think he's going to appeal to the most? PNP supporters. So when you hear some loudmouth in the corners telling you about don't politicize it, it's nonsense. The most effective logistic group in this country is the two political party machinery. None other. There's no more effective group to get people vaccinated and to get out people. Just like how it was used in election campaign, you use the same method to get people out to be vaccinated. Just like how people walk door to door and convince people to vote Labour or vote GLP, PLP, you should use the same method to convince people, arm them with information, send them out there and have them convince people to be vaccinated. This nonsense about pro-vax and anti-vax and people sitting in the corner must stop. And the persons who are contributing to the hesitancy in the vaccine process are the MPs themselves. I don't care if they want to like me or not like me. It's the truth. You can't get the truth, you know. When we talk the truth, you can't get the feet because it is factual. How many of them done it? How many of them, and I'm willing to apologize to any MP that can come up and tell me that you have had meetings with your workers group to ensure that your workers are vaccinated. How many of them done it? How many of them have done it so far? Nonsense.